something is not matching up, okay? There is something which is not aligning within yourself.
Everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see, matter of fact.
Hello, welcome back to my Insta Academy. In today's video, we'll be looking into cognitive dissonance theory. So this was something which was proposed by Leon Festinger, and now let's break down the terms, okay? Cognitive and dissonance. So we all know that cognitive or cognition refers to our mental processes. So this can include thinking, reasoning, perception, all of that stuff. Now what is dissonance? Dissonance is some sort of discomfort or tension that you feel within yourself. You feel like something is not matching up, okay? There is something which is not aligning within yourself. Now when you combine both, you get cognitive dissonance. Now what is this? This is some sort of discomfort or tension, as I already mentioned, that you feel due to arising conflicting cognitions, okay? You have differing thoughts or beliefs or attitudes within yourself, which is directed towards one particular thing, and this basically causes some sort of imbalance within yourself. And as humans, we don't like to be in the state of imbalance or this misalignment, so we try to get back to a harmonious state. Okay, now let's take a very simple common example to understand this thing better, okay, without all these terminologies. Also, I'll be explaining about individual differences, cultural differences. I'll be explaining that later on. But now let's take a very common example, okay? So there's this person, he is very health conscious, but he smokes. Or should I say he also smokes? Even when you're listening to this, you feel like, hey, how is that possible? If this person is health conscious, if he is so serious about his health, then why will he go and smoke in the first place, right? So even just as an outsider, even just as a listener, you feel some sort of disconnection, no? Something is weird, it doesn't match up. So this person himself will be feeling that weirdness within himself. So now what will this person do to solve this and to get into a harmonious state? You can pause this video and think for yourself. I'll give you 5 seconds. Okay, so this person, 90% of the cases, they'll not cut out the habit of smoking, okay, because smoking itself, it gives you some sort of pleasure or at least a momentary relaxation and relief from all these tensions or the worldly things that are going around you, okay? So probably he'll not do that. What else can he do? He'll downplay the health risks of smoking. So even though he is health conscious, even though he knows that smoking is not very good for your health, he'll just convince himself. He'll just tell to himself, okay, I think it's okay, I can smoke. If I smoke just once every day, I don't think it's a big deal. Or maybe he'll be like, I know a lot of people who are smoking. I have a lot of smoker friends. They are all walking chill. They don't have any health issue. I don't think it's a big deal. He'll tell something to himself and he'll try to restructure or he'll try to change the beliefs or attitudes that he's having towards smoking, so that he doesn't feel bad when he smokes, okay, so that he doesn't feel this discomfort or this dissonance within himself. So in very simple terms, if you look at it, this is something where you're doing something wrong, so-called wrong, okay, maybe it is wrong to you or to the society or family or whatever. It is something so-called wrong, but you're trying to justify, okay, you're trying to tell yourself that it's okay to do this, and you're trying not to feel guilty or bad about it. You're trying not to feel that discomfort with it. Now let's look at the individual differences, okay? So let's take the same example, smoking, okay? There are two people, person A, person B. Both of them are very health conscious. Both of them also smoke, okay? So person A will be feeling a very strong urge to get rid of or at least reduce this cognitive dissonance that he's feeling within himself. Okay, so he'll try to justify. He'll keep telling himself, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay if you smoke. Or maybe he'll tell himself, okay, I can smoke, but same day I'll also exercise for 30 minutes. I'll go for a walking or I'll go to gym or something so I can compensate it. And it's okay if I smoke. Okay, he'll keep telling that to himself and he'll try to change his inner thoughts. Okay, now person B, he'll not even feel anything, okay? He'll not even try to change his thoughts or attitudes or anything. He is health conscious, he is smoking also at the same time. And he doesn't feel a damn about anything, okay? He's very chill. He's not even trying to change anything. So this could be because of his personality traits, or maybe that is the way he is. Maybe he's just a chill person. It's okay for him to be doing different contradictory things at the same time. Okay, so there are individual differences. Now let's look at cultural variations, all right? So suppose you have to do a job now, okay? You're grown up and you have to go do a job. But you were grown in this culture or family, or you've grown up in this kind of background where people give too much emphasis on choosing a job that will satisfy or that will align with your family expectations or societal norms and all that stuff, okay? But what you feel inside, what your individual aspiration is about, is completely different from this thing, okay? So what will you feel? You'll feel naturally, you'll feel some sort of uncomfortable feeling inside, right? Because you've been in this kind of environment your whole life. You've grown up there and you're hearing people, your family, society, everyone telling this is the kind of job you should be doing. You're hearing all those and you're growing up, right? So all those things, that is there within you. So somewhere inside you feel like you have to do something which aligns with that, okay? All those stuff, that is within you. Again, there is your individual interest and your own aspirations. You want to do something totally different, okay? That does not fit with these things. So that thing is also within you, okay? And both of these worlds or both of these things are totally different. So definitely there will be some sort of mismatch or some sort of dissonance that you will be feeling inside. Now, how will you solve this? So maybe you might just tell bye-bye to your individual interests. You might just think it's okay to do a job which satisfies my family. I think even I'll be satisfied from that. Seeing my family happy, I'll also be happy. Maybe I'll also feel satisfaction and happiness from that. I think it's okay to do that. Maybe you'll do that. Or maybe you'll try to mix up both. Your individual interests, what you want to do, that, and something which satisfies your family or the society or your culture or whatever. Both of those things you'll try to mix up, and maybe you'll come up with some innovative job. You'll come up with some new kind of creative job where both the worlds are happy. They are also happy, I'm also happy. Because somewhere inside you feel like you have to satisfy them also. You have to do something which aligns with your family's expectations also, because they've been really putting so much of importance, or they've really been pushing that concept, and you take it within yourself, knowingly or unknowingly, that is also there within yourself. So you feel like you have to do something right to align those also, okay? So that's it for this video. This was all about cognitive dissonance theory, and I hope it really made sense to you, like the examples and the real life things that I told. I hope it made you understand this better in a simpler way, okay? So do let me know in the comment section below if you did like it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
'Cause I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny.